Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm gonna do unboxing of this GRDE Bluetooth wireless earphones. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so this is a very good product and it comes with like true wireless Bluetooth headphones. It has got noise cancelling, it's waterproof, and it has got a built-in mic, and it has got single twin mode and 180 hours of playtime for Android iOS. So I have this box and I purchased it from Amazon. So let's open and see what are the items available in this box. Sorry for this guys, because opening it with one hand is difficult, but I managed to open finally. Okay, so I have operation instructions and I have help and warranty terms of service. Okay, this is the instruction book, that's really good. This looks like the charger, and this like okay, this they attach to the earphone so that when you insert in your ear it is comfortable. Okay, what, and now this is the main casing. So this is the cover where you actually put them in and then you charge. And the good thing is here you can see the indicator, the charging it has got. So it has got 82% charging. This is really good, so you really know when you are going to plug in and when you don't need to plug in into the power. So it cost me around $70 from Amazon and it is really working well for me. So thanks for watching.